So question number 2 is indefinite article, and indefinite article as we studied already. Even
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
so we will do question number 1 first, the audio-based question, and then we will move to the remaining questions and discuss them. So you can read the question number 1, and then I will play the audio. So, distinguer une situation formelle ou informelle. That means distinguish
The situation.
a situation formal or informal. So you will hear some dialogues. I mean, multiple situations, 4 or 5 situations, and you
Yeah.
have to mention for each situation whether that situation is formal or informal. So, firstly, they will speak example.
Okay, and it is
It is formal.
yeah.
So F for formal, I for informal.
Dossier 1. Leçon 1. Bonjour.
Activité 1. Exemple.
Bonjour madame.
Bonjour monsieur. Situation 1.
Salut Florence. Ça va?
Oui, ça va. Et toi? Situation 2.
Salut.
Salut! À plus tard! Situation 3.
Au revoir madame.
Au revoir monsieur. Bonne journée. Situation 4. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, merci. Et vous?
So I think let's discuss for the first 3 and then I'll play the audio. Okay. Yes. So Anubhuti, what is your answer for the first part?
Informal. I.
First one you were saying is informal. Okay.
Yes.
Anup, is it same for you also?
Yes.
Second one, Anup.
Informal.
Second one also I. Anubhuti, is it same?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Third one, Anubhuti.
Formal. Formal.
Okay. Third one is formal for both. Okay. Next one, Anubhuti, can you?
Formal. I think it's formal. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Moving to the question number 2. So question number 2 is indefinite article, and indefinite article as we studied already, even and they, right? So what you have to do is you have to find out the words from this invitation
Okay.
along with their articles. For example, masculine singular form en repas. So en repas is already given here, en repas. Masculine singular form, so it will come in this box. So 2 words for feminine singular, then 2 words for masculine plural, and then 2 words again for feminine plural. So this is how we need to find it. So in question 3, you have to put the correct article in front of the word. Yeah. So Anubhuti, what is the next another word that you found for masculine singular? Spectacle. Spectacular means it's a spectacle or a show. Feminine words, feminine singular. Even soirée. Soirée is evening. And any other word?
Mary la Mary.
So मेघी होती है that that town hall building. Okay, so in France, so there is like a town hall, a government administration office kind of, city council office kind of. So उसको हम जैसे बोलते हैं ना, हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में वी आर हैविंग मेयर, कुछ सिटीज में मेयर होता है, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल चंडीगढ़, it's a different city, so there is a mayor that manages that city. So there is a mayor office, right?
Okay.
So similarly in France, they have a city council office or a town council office administration.
Hmm.
So we call it as mairie. Okay? Let's say for example we have a separate name for Rashtrapati Bhavan, right? We call it Rashtrapati Bhavan. So they call it the mayor office as mairie.
Plural, masculine.
Hmm.
They droit. Droit. Droit.
Très bien. Oui, exactement. Des droits.
Droit.
Des droits. Droit means the rights, right?
Yeah.
Des droits. Correct. Next, des femmes.
They
So femme means the woman.
Yeah.
Des étudiants.
étudiants.
Étudiant. Yes. Étudiante, in fact,
Étudiant.
because it is feminine,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So étudiante means the students.
Okay.
The students or the female students, we can say. Similarly, French में, I mean, this is with everything actually. अगर आमी है, आमी, this is a male friend,
Hmm.
आमी. अगर आमी है with a e in the last, so it will be a female friend. Okay, so what is the answer for the first one? Anubhuti?
Une.
Une semaine. Correct.
Une semaine.
It's a une semaine. That is a week.
A week.
Anu, what is next? A cocktail.
Un cocktail.
It's un cocktail.
Oh,
Masculine word. Next one, Anubhuti.
They.
Des
Because-
étudiants. Correct.
But this is like you said, this is masculine.
Yeah, this is the masculine form. Masculine. Then next one, Anu.
they.
They. Because plural form में चाहे masculine हो चाहे feminine हो, अगर हम indefinite article लगा रहे हैं, then there will be only des. They is the only option. Okay, next one.
They.
Des rencontres. Des rencontres means the meetings.
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 Yeah. Meetings. Des rencontres.
Like office meetings like that, or just
Yeah,
basically
it can be any kind of meeting.
meeting. Okay.
Can be casual meeting
They reckon.
or get together also. Can be.
Yeah. And you pronounce it as they reckon.
Rencontre.
Wrong.
Rencontre. Okay, next one. Professor.
They.
They.
Des professor. Correct. Des prof. Next one. Des film already added. Une exposition. An exposition. Right. Next one. Anu.
Not chance.
Chanson. It's
Chanson.
une chanson.
You. Okay.
Yeah. Chanson means a song.
Okay. Chanson.
Chanson is a song. All right. And
Fourth.
yeah.
Sally.
so I think these were the homework, so we can quickly discuss these. So Anubhuti, what is your answer for the first one? Sava.
Sava, I wrote tuva.
Tu vas bien. Correct. Tu
Tu vas
vas bien. Absolutely correct. Tu vas bien. So you have to find, in this case, you have to find out the exact same kind of expression, right?
Right.
Okay, next one.
Bien merci et toi.
Correct.
हाँ,
Bien
et toi.
merci et toi.
Yeah.
जैसे यहाँ पर लिखा है ना bonjour, bonjour is the formal way.
Okay.
तो उसकी जगह same sense में but different situation. Next one. Tu vas bien.
You are bien. Okay.
Same thing. Apita is see you later.
Okay. Then Adim. No.
See you later.
Later का फिर it will be
Adam.
au revoir.
Au revoir. You can say au revoir, or you can say, see, आप you ताक ना, we say in a very informal situation. Like
Oh.
हम ऐसे हम अपने बॉस को नहीं बोल सकते आप you ताक, see you later, right?
Yeah.
So we use it in a more informal situation. आप you ताक.
Okay.
Okay. So
formal-
informal bye क्या होगा? What do you think? Au revoir is a formal bye. Au revoir you say to your team,
Then
to strangers.
bonjour.
Salut. Simple. Salut.
Salut. Salut is hi, bye both, na?
Yeah. Salut
Salut.
is like to greet. Prendre congé. Congé means to congé का मतलब होता है holiday, off,
Off. Okay.
right? For example, let's say if you want to take a leave from your office, or so आप कैसे बोलोगे? I need a congé. I need an off. I need a holiday. Right? अगर आपको कहना है it's a government holiday, so you will say congé gouvernemental, like that. Holiday के लिए होता है basically. और आपने अगर बोला prendre congé, then it means to take leave, to take an off from somewhere. So now in question number 5, they're asking you to find out the mistakes in the sentences. So there are a few mistakes in the sentences, depending upon the situation, can be about anything. So you have to correct that.
Tu vas bien.
So you can change it either ways. You can either change
Yes, yes.
salut.
Bonjour. Yes, yes.
Either you can put bonjour, vous allez bien, or else you can do salut, tu vas bien.
Tu
Tu
vas
vas bien.
Okay.
Next one. Bonjour monsieur, comment vas-tu? Bonjour monsieur, comment allez-vous? So there will be liaison. Comment allez-vous? Because of liaison, we will pronounce it comment allez-vous.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will be bonjour professor. Okay, next one.
Bonjour, à demain. And then bonjour,
Au revoir.
au revoir.
Au revoir is the formal way.
Au revoir.
Hormone.